Yo, what's up, people? Got the boy Game in the building.
What's up, people? How
You know
y'all
what I'm
doing?
saying? Yeah.
You know what I'm
And
saying?
we're about to see what he got from Watch Game this month.
Got a Grant Brown.
Grant Brazil.
Let's take a look at Luke. Okay, yeah, okay, I see you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
That is a nice piece
Yes.
though.
Yeah, it is.
You know what I'm saying? I got the black
Okay. Yeah.
black dial. You got the white. You want to try that bad boy on the wrist right quick?
Oh, yeah, you know it. You know I gotta
know
try
what
it
I'm
real
saying?
quick.
Yeah.
In fact, I didn't even wear a watch just so I can get ready to wear it when it was time to do the unboxing.
So,
Or I guess uncasing in this case.
yeah. What color Midnight get?
Hers was different.
Well,
Yeah, hers was
different
like
brand?
yeah, it was a Grant
Okay.
Grant Brown, but it was like a different type. Like hers,
Really?
like you had the date on there. You can like actually see
What?
it. Next time, next week I'll tell her to show you.
Okay, cool.
Mine.
Cool.
Yeah, okay.
There it is.
Yeah, that's hot,
Yeah.
y'all.
Ross wristwatch love in the building. Yeah, that's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
That's hot. But can we take a minute to appreciate this T-shirt he got on?
Oh yeah.
Yo,
Well, y'all gotta love it now.
yo. If y'all ain't had the noodles,
Y'all just don't know.
y'all just don't know, boy. Whew.
Off the chain,
Man,
boy.
you want some right now, dog.
I got some at the house. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So, anything else you want to say, my brother?
Not really, unless you want to plug some stuff.
Go ahead, plug it.
All right, man. Hey, if y'all like nerd shit, subscribe to Nerd Life 513.
Yeah,
If you're a Prince fan, Purple
Yeah.
Underground.
yeah.
Saying?
For sure. You know what I'm saying? What we do.
Then go ahead and mess with Watch Gang if you
Watch
want.
game. Watch
Try it
game
out.
in the building.
Try it out.
You know what I mean?
Same.
My man Game made the unboxing
Yeah.
video.
Surprising.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
Peace.
Peace.
We out.